Today we're diving into a topic that's intrigued, puzzled, and even confounded many of us. How to make a girl want you over text. Now, before we get started, remember, the key is not manipulation or trickery, but rather building genuine connections. So, let's get into it. Texting is an art, my friends, and like any art, it requires practice and finesse. First things first, start with a strong foundation. You see, attraction isn't just about looks, it's about who you are as a person. So, be authentic. Show off your quirks, your passions, and your interests. Now, when it comes to texting, less is often more. The intrigue of a well-timed, thoughtful message is far more powerful than bombarding her with 100 texts. Give her some space to wonder about you, to think, what's he up to? And speaking of intrigue, storytelling is your secret weapon. Share anecdotes about your life, your travels, and those hilarious moments that make you, well, you. Storytelling ignites curiosity and keeps the conversation alive. But remember, folks, it's a two-way street. Ask her open-ended questions, inquire about her interests, and genuinely listen to her responses. When you show you're interested in her world, you're saying, hey, I value you. And now, here's a game changer. Be playful. Texting is not a formal interview. It's your chance to flirt, to joke around, to create that spark. Tease her, make her laugh, and let your personality shine through those emoticons. But my friends, remember the power of patience. Just like growing a plant, a connection takes time to flourish. Don't rush things. Let the conversation evolve naturally. And now, let's talk about the real world. Texting is just a bridge to real-life interactions. So, suggest activities that reflect your interests and invite her to join. Whether it's hiking, checking out a new gallery, or sharing a cup of coffee, these real-life moments solidify the connection you've been building. Now, it's important to address a universal truth: rejection. Not every connection will turn into a romance, and that's okay. Respect her feelings, and if things don't progress, value the connection you did share. It's all part of life's beautiful tapestry. So, my friends, there you have it. A genuine guide to making a girl want you over text. Remember, it's about showing your true self, creating an authentic connection, and fostering a sense of intrigue. Texting is just the beginning, a stepping stone to the deeper connection that's waiting out there for you. Also, download the free approach blueprint to learn how to meet and attract women anywhere. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. And as always, keep being your authentic selves. Until next time, this is signing off.